We're very honored that Indonesia has chosen the AH-64E as their attack helicopter of choice. They'll become the 15th country to be operating the Apache, and obviously they've come and seen that based on the history of the Apache, all the things that it's been doing around the world, it provides the safest, most protected attack helicopter that they can come and procure. With the Apache, Indonesia will get an aircraft that's been designed to provide safety and protection for their ground forces and the crews that are operating it. With the AH-64, you're able to fire both Hellfire missiles, rockets, and 30mm rounds to be able to do a number of types of missions, whether it be aerial reconnaissance, convoy protection, or direct engagement with an enemy force. Again, to be able to protect those ground forces that are part of the Indonesian military, as well as protecting the borders and any of the other types of missions that they need to go through and perform. The Apache has been flying since 1984. We've done continual upgrades to it. The latest model is the Echo model that came out in 2013. In terms of performance, we've been able to upgrade the transmissions, the engines, to be able to get better, stronger, high altitude, high temperature performance, and be able to increase the range and speed, and be able to allow the crews to be able to fly over obstacles as opposed to around them, to be able to engage quicker when there is a need for the services of the Apache. With the targeting systems, we're able to provide pinpoint accuracy with the weapon systems that we are firing, so it's able to engage targets in small areas and make sure when they are engaging, they're hitting what they're shooting at.
Will you be doing a training package?
Yes, when we do opportunities with an international operator, certainly somebody that's going to be new to it, we'll do a training package to train both their crew members, the pilots that are flying it, as well as their maintainers, and how they go through and order parts and components and supplies. We'll have field service reps that will be on the ground in that country to be able to provide technical guidance and support, as well as how do you go and order the parts and components. And we'll be there to help do maintenance, certainly for the first couple of years as we go through, take them through the training, and then continue with that recurring repetitive training for the first couple of years to make sure that Indonesia has the trained crews and the performance that they are looking for to be able to ensure that they're maintaining those aircraft to the standards that Indonesia is looking for. So with a company like Boeing, you stay in business by doing good business and staying with the country. So you sell a great product, you also work on the maintenance and training for as long as they're going to operate. So we'll be there with Indonesia as long as they are looking for us to be able to help. So we want to be a long-term 20, 30-year partner with them with the Apache.
Is there a timeline for their deliveries?
So typically when you procure an aircraft, it's 3 years. So they will start delivering aircraft to Indonesia in the 2019 timeframe.